What's up, you guys? All right, Cam Civic back at it. Y'all can see this will be the last video, okay? So it's supposed to be one box, but then I found out that the turbo wasn't in the kit, so it came by itself. Came straight from Precision Turbo. Was it Hebron, Indiana? All right, so it'll be 2 box. This is the last package of the PRL, and this is the turbo itself. So this turbo is a Precision 5858 journal bearing. So let's get to it, guys. Last, all right. Okay. Start off with this one. So this is the long box. Let's see what we got in here. All right, bubble wrap. Oh, okay. So what we got here? What we got here is the crash beam bar replacement. So this is to replace the crash beam bar in front of your car. So that little aluminum alloy bar, this is gonna replace it, and the intercooler is gonna mount to right here. So these holes should be for the intercooler. So pretty sweet that they give you an option to mount the intercooler, so you don't have to do any drilling. And this is also powder coated black. So you see you got holes. Got some holes right here. Hose. Has a good weight to it. Quality. Yeah, so this is what's in that box right there. The last of it. All right, so let's get to the turbo kit. Or the turbo, actually. Sorry about that. What we all been waiting for. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they got some staples. Probably gonna have to rip this thing. Okay. All right, here you go. There it is. Record holder. I guess this is just showing you who broke records with this turbo. With the Precision turbo. Bubble wrap. Let's take it out. So here's the box right here, guys. That's what it comes like. Memorial Bowl, milestones. Box, pretty heavy. All right, now let's see what's inside. Of course, comes with your decal Precision turbo engine. The staff picture. See how the turbo looks like. Got the memory foam. Was it? Or phone, actually, not memory foam. So here it is. So with that, I got like bad allergies going on right now. So here's a turbo. Man, it's pretty good size. Got the little gasket. It's all wrapped up. Let's open it. See how it looks like. Has some weight to it, like it should. AR82, okay, so I chose AR82. For researching, it gives you more of the high end. All right, so here we go. You can see the precision stamp right here. So the model, serial number, part number. Of course, you got your vacuum, the vacuum nipple. Man, this thing got no shot play at all. Well, like slightly, but like I said, it's also gonna be like that. Then the oil will take care of it. See? Yeah, that's quality right here. Precision turbo. Nicely finished. You got the oil feed right here, and then you got the return on the bottom, of course. T3, T4. Got the V band. Man, this thing's nice right here. And it's pretty heavy. Shit, this thing weighs probably like 20 pounds right here. All right, sorry about that, guys. Had a little problem with the camera. But as y'all can see, like I said, this thing is quality, man. This thing is beautiful right here. Just looking at it, man. Good size turbo. Like I said, this turbo is rated for 600. All right, 600. So it's perfect for street. It's not gonna spool too late. Like I said, my goal is to make 500 in the area. So this turbo will work for me definitely, and it will get the job done. Quality, quality. Pretty big size. Well, good size actually, as you can see. Take a closer look. Oh shoot, got the wind going on. Precision turbo. Yeah, it's like an alloy, like what was it, like a, what do you call it, aluminum finish on it. It's like a paint, some kind of paint or something. All right, you guys, so this is it for the final video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, please like and subscribe. The next video should be on installing the kit, install the turbo kit itself. Like I said, I'll do my best. I'll let you guys know when I'll be running on my setup. Probably the next video I'm gonna let you guys know what I'll be running on my setup before I do the installation, so you guys can get a, you know, an idea. And yeah, like and subscribe, and you guys are out there racing, do your things, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, you guys.